Hello students, good morning to all. Today we will be studying the chapter number 11 of your EVS textbook, and the name of the chapter is In the Orchard. Orchard is a place like a garden where different types of trees grows, of fruits especially. Okay? So we will read and understand the chapter. Ratan is studying in class 4. She went to village with her grandfather during holidays. So this is a story about a girl named Ratan, and she went to visit her grandfather during her holidays. One morning, grandfather took her to an orchard. When grandfather was giving grass to calf, buffalo and ox at that time, Ratan ran and went inside the orchard. So then one morning, grandfather took Ratan to the orchard and he was feeding grass to the cows, buffaloes and ox. घास खाई ने cow, buffalo ने ox. तो grandfather घास આપતા હતા. And at that time, Ratan ran and went inside the orchard. એટલે પેલા ગાર્ડનની અંદર ચાલી ગઈ, fruit gardenની અંદર. She saw different flowers, saplings of vegetables and climbers in the orchard. She also saw plants of grains, pulses and also tall trees. So she saw the different types of plants over there, that is of flowers, vegetables, different climbers, plants of grains, pulses and so on. How beautiful were the roses in the pot, do you know? They are red, yellow, pink and white. However, in one of the pots there was a very little banyan tree like span. So there she saw the different types of roses of different colors. બધા અલગ કલર્સના roses જોયા એને ઓર્ચર્ડમાં. કયા કયા કલરના roses જોયા એને? They were red, yellow, pink and white. And there was also a small banyan tree. વડનું ઝાડ જોયું જ બધા એકદમ મોટું હોય વડનું ઝાડ, તેવું નાનું banyan tree પણ એને જોયું ઓર્ચર્ડમાં. She was very much surprised by seeing all this. Now close your eyes and imagine that you are at the same place like this. How do you feel? Which kind of song would you like to sing there? Have you ever seen so many flowers grow together anywhere? Where? Now you have to do this on your own. Close your eyes and imagine a place like this. કે તમે કોઈ આવી જગ્યા પર છો તો બહુ બધા ફ્લાવર્સના ઝાડો છે, નલ્લા નલ્લા સેપલિંગ્સ છે, ક્લાઇમ્બર્સ છે, and you have to imagine that what type of song will you sing there. કોઈ દિવસ તમે જોઈ છે આટલા બધા flowers એકસાથે જોયા જ? How many different colored flowers have you seen? Write their names. So now you have to write the names of the flowers which you have seen, like rose, lily, sunflower, marigold and so on. Are these things in your house which have designs of flowers made on them like clothes, sheets, vases, etc.? Here you can see the design. This is a picture of tapestry made by the people of Kutch by using embroidery. This design of flowers is done very skillfully. Such designs are done on cushion cover, wallet, purse, bags, etc. So can you see this design? This is an art called tapestry and which is done by the people of Kutch by using embroidery. તેમાં કેવી કેવી ડિઝાઇન્સો જેમ ફ્લાવર્સની ડિઝાઇન બની શકે, સાના પર બની શકે, ઓન ક્વેશ્ચન કવર્સ, વોલેટ્સ, પર્સીસ, બેગ્સ એન્ડ સો ઓન. Ratan has seen different flowers. You may have seen them. Here are some pictures of flowers. Mark a tick on the flower which you recognize. Write their names too if you know. So over here I have already written the names of the flowers. મેં નામ લખી દીધા જ ફ્લાવર્સના. You have to just put a tick on whichever flower you have seen. તમે જે ફ્લાવર જોયું હોય એના બાજુના બોક્સમાં તમે ટિક માર્ક મૂકી દેવાની. Okay? Do not pluck flowers. Can you all see that signboard on page number 81? Have you ever seen a signboard like this put up anywhere? Do pluck flowers even when this board is there. Why did people do this? Think. What would happen if everybody plucked flowers? Should they do this? So any of you have seen this board in any garden or park or anywhere? काय મૂકેલું હોય આ બોર્ડ? Do not pluck flowers, no? It says that we have to not pluck flowers. એટલે આપણે ફૂલ તોડવાના નહીં, આપણે કેતે બી ગાર્ડન કે પાર્કમાં જઈએ ત્યાંથી. It is a bad thing to pluck flowers, right? Blooming buds. You must have seen buds on the plants. Observe the buds on plants which grow near your surrounding. What difference do you find between a flower and a bud? Bud એટલે શું? નાની કલી હોય તેને bud કહેવાય. And flower is a full grown flower. જે પૂરી તરહથી ખીલી ગયેલી કલી હોય એને flower કહેવાય. જો પિક્ચરમાં આપેલું છે રાઈટ સાઈડ પર કલી છે, that is a bud. And right on the left side there is a white flower. Full flower ખુલી ગયેલું છે, ઉગી ગયું full flower. Have you ever seen anyone selling flowers anywhere? If there are any florists nearby, ask them these questions and write. તમે કોઈને flowers sell કરતા જોયા જ કોઈ દિવસ? If there are any florist એટલે કોણ? જે ફૂલ વેચે તે લોકોને florist કહેવાય. What are the flowers that they sell? So they sell roses, lotuses, marigolds, mogra, hibiscus and etc. બીજા બી બહુ બધા ટાઈપના ફ્લાવર્સ આવે જે ફ્લોરિસ્ટ સેલ કરે. From where do they bring these flowers? So they bring these flowers from the gardens or the flower markets. Why do people buy flowers? They buy flowers for religious activities like puja, decoration કરવા માટે, કોઈની વેડિંગમાં કે બર્થડે પાર્ટીમાં, making garlands and bouquets. In what forms do florists sell their flowers? Look at these pictures. Mark tick against those forms of flowers that you have seen. So you have to do this. તમે જે રીતે ફ્લાવર્સને જોયા હોય તો એના બોક્સમાં તમે નીચે ટિક માર્ક મૂકી દેવાની. ઓકે? Have you seen any other forms of flowers than this? તમે કોઈ બીજા forms of flowers જોયા હોય other than for religious activities or bouquets and all, તો તમે આ ડેશમાં fill in કરવાનું. Some flowers are used in different forms like rose and marigold are used in garlands as well as loose petals. ગાર્લન્ડ્સ એટલે શું? હાર માલાઓ હોય તેમાં પણ રોઝ એન્ડ મેરીગોલ્ડ યુઝ થાય, લેકિન એની છૂટી પાત્રીઓ પણ યુઝ થાય. They are loose petals. Find out the prices of the different flower forms. One flower, one garland and one bouquet. તમે prices find કરવાની ને આ ડેશમાં લખવાની. સપોઝ one flowerની price છે 5 rupees કે 10 rupees. One garlandની price છે 20 rupees or 30 rupees. One bouquetની price છે 50 rupees or 70 rupees. So you have to find out and fill in the blanks, okay? Has florist learned to make bouquets or a net of flowers from anybody? From whom? Would they like the other members of their family to do this work? Why? So florist કોની પાસે શીખે? એના family members પાસે જ શીખશે ને. Ratan was walking ahead in the orchard. She saw some persons were cleaning grass in one corner of the field. She went there and started pulling the grass. So when Ratan was walking around in the orchard, she saw some person were cleaning the grass in the field. And she went there and even she started pulling the grass. Pull એટલે શું? જમીનમાંથી ઉખાડવાનું ચાલુ કર્યું એને બી ગ્રાસને. There Ratan saw that Ramji Bhai was pulling radish. Ratan asked Ramji Bhai, so he told, Beta, these are radish and it is also roots. Suddenly rain started. It was raining heavily with storm. However, the trees stood still. Then she saw Ramji Bhai and he was pulling radish. And Ramji Bhai told Ratan that radish means roots because they grow inside the ground. Ratan also came to know that she had not given water to the neem tree which was grown near her house. She thought how the neem will get water. Look at the pictures of vegetables given below and find out which ones are roots from them. So there are some pictures given over here. Now which ones are root from this? The pictures are of vegetables like brinjal, carrots, cauliflower, tomatoes, radishes, etc. Pictures are given here. From this, which are the roots? In the first line, the second picture, that is of a carrot. So you have to put a tick mark over there like I have done. In the next line, the first picture, which is of a radish, you have to put a tick mark there. And then the fourth picture, that is of a beetroot. Ratan had seen a huge tree fallen down at the edge of a field. She recalled the neem tree of her school. She can see the damaged roots of that tree. She thought, has somebody pulled out this tree or it fell down itself? How old would this tree be? How will the tree get water from between the roots at the edge of the field? So Ratan saw a huge tree was fallen, એટલે બહુ મોટું ઝાડ હતું જે પડી ગયેલું હતું ને એના બધા રૂટ પણ ઉખડી ગયેલા હતા જમીનમાંથી. And she remembered the neem tree in her school. એની સ્કૂલમાં એક neem tree હતું, એની યાદ આવી ગઈ એને અને જોઈને. And then she thought that has somebody pulled out the tree, એટલે કોઈ માણસે ઝાડ ખેંચી કરેલું છે જમીનમાંથી કે એની મેરે પડી ગયેલું છે. She got all these thoughts after seeing that. Strange, freaky, weird root. Have you ever swung on a banyan tree? What did you hold to swing? How do the hanging branches look like? It is the root of the banyan tree. It is called prop or aerial roots. It grows from the branches and touches the ground. So, have you ever swung from a banyan tree? કોઈ દિવસ banyan tree જોયું જ તમે બધાએ? એના બાજુમાં બી લાંબા લાંબા રૂટ્સ લટકેલા હોય ને એના બ્રાન્ચીસ હોય તે પણ જમીનમાં જઈને રૂટ્સ બની જાય. જોયા જ તમે બધાએ? So that type of branches are called prop roots or aerial branches, જેને આપણે પકડીને ઝૂલી શકીએ. We can swing on the roots. Kabir Wad, situated in the Bharuch, is very big. Its prop aerial roots are given strength to the banyan tree like pillars now. હવે જે બ્રાન્ચીસ નીકળે બેનિયન ટ્રીમાંથી તે જમીનમાં સમાઈ જાય ને બેનિયન ટ્રીને સપોર્ટ પણ આપે પછી. Remember one thing, that banyan tree has the roots inside the soil like other trees. ને એના નોર્મલ રૂટ્સ પણ હોય જ જેમ બીજા પ્લાન્ટ્સના હોય તેમ. These are the extra roots, means the prop or the aerial roots. Have you ever seen prop or aerial roots growing from other trees like banyan tree? તમે કોઈને જોયા હોય તો તમે લખવાનું તો ક્વેશ્ચનની બાજુમાં. Okay? I hope you have understood this chapter. How Ratan went to the orchard and over there she saw and explored the different things. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.